Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to explain clustering example with Gaussian mixture in Python. The Gaussian mixture model is a probabilistic model to represent a mixture of multiple Gaussian distributions on a given data. The model is widely used in clustering problems. Unlike traditional clustering methods like k-means, this model allows for more flexibility in the shape and orientation of clusters. The scikit-learn API provides the Gaussian mixture class to implement this model for data clustering. In this tutorial, you will briefly learn how to cluster data by using Gaussian mixture class in Python. Here we cover preparing data, clustering, and the Gaussian mixture and source code listing. Let's get started. First, we'll start loading the required libraries for this tutorial. Here we use sklearn's mixture datasets, matplotlib, numpy, and pandas libraries. First, we'll create simple clustering data for this tutorial and visualize it in a scatter plot. Here is the code how to generate random data and visualize it in a scatter plot. This is the target data to cluster. Next, we'll define the Gaussian mixture model and fit it on X data. Here we'll divide data into the 5 clusters, so we set target cluster number in a n components parameter. You can also change other default parameters based on your data and the clustering approach. Here is the source code how to define the model, and you can see the parameters used in this model. After fitting the model, we can obtain centers of each clusters. So we have 5 centers, so this is the values of the center. Taking centers can be visualized in a plot as shown below. So again, we visualize the scatter plot and highlight the centers of each cluster with a red color. So we found 5 clusters in this plot. We predict X data with trained model to identify each element's target center. Below code shows how to group elements and visualize the cluster with color in a plot. Here we use data frame and group each cluster, and we highlight every cluster with a color. And this is the result. Here we have the 5 clusters highlighted by different colors. In below code, we change the cluster number and observe divided clusters in a plot. So you can test your data by changing the cluster numbers. This is a source code how to identify the clusters and check the output result. So this graph shows in the first graph we'll divide it into 2 clusters. So cluster size is 2. And the second one is we have 3 clusters and 4 and 5. In this tutorial we are briefly learning how to cluster data with the Gaussian mixture model in Python. And here is the source code. Please visit my website. You can get all the source code and information we have covered here. Please subscribe my channel and hit like button if you like this video. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.